resistance, report to your nearest intake facility immediately. We promise nothing nefarious will befall you. We promise. Resistance members, report to the VIP section of your nearest intake facility for compulsory behavioral modification. It will be fun. Fun.
Your suit seems to be working nicely, blending right in. There is the assistant, and there is the infobot. Whew. Masterful work. Now get out of there and decrypt that thing.
Where is the infobot?
Your ship is up ahead. Where are you going?
It's okay. See? Just me. Rivet? Shh. Gotta go. Here, it'll help you get home. I designed it to be one size fits all, so it should... Thank you.
Don't you think it's weird to throw a celebration for us? I mean, we haven't done anything heroic in years. What if everyone thinks we're washed up? Oh, what if we are washed up?
Luckily, we will not need to perform any heroics. Unless you count smiling and waving.
Right.
Give a big welcome to the Grand Marshals of our parade, Ratchet and Clank! I, Captain Copernicus Leslie Quad, will be your host. With me, Skid Mars. And Rusty Pace.
Wow! Haven't seen these guys in ages!
Give it up to our heroes! Yes! Folks, we have a momentous day in store for you. Starting with me! And ending with a surprise gift from Clank to Ratchet!
Oh dear, must he tell the entire galaxy?
Wait, a gift? For what?
Oh, you will see. It is awaiting us at the front of the parade route.
Well, we better get moving then.
We all started on Planet Hell with Ratchet, a restless tinkerer, hungry for adventure. That night, Clank's ship came crashing from the night sky. Ratchet rescued the defective warbot, and the rest is intergalactic history. And the crowd goes wild! forget the Blarg invasion of Kerwar. Show the crowd some of those world-class sharpshooting skills. Well, once he grabs some ammo, of course. The Hall of Heroes is safe.
Hey, I think I found the wombat!
What is this supposed to be a reenactment of?
Got a sweet bounty on your head, wombat!
Ratchet, I do not believe this is part of the show.
Someone put a bounty on us?
I hope this is not about your gift. Hurry, we must get to the front of the parade route.
Activating Magna Boots!
Come on, let's keep this show going.
So much for smiling and waving, huh?
I would bet the Blogs are behind this, or the Cragmites, or... oh, Dr. Nefarious.
No way! Nefarious has been retired longer than we have.
Watch out for swamp
Robobots! Attack!
Our heroes vanquished is the enemy. Now, he must walk the dangerous fight.
The mysteries of the Great Club. Again with the fighting. I had an emotional monologue prepared for this one.
More goons incoming.
There he is! Let's get that sweet bounty!
Let's take out that dropship and end this! A little rusty, but not too bad.
Are they gone? Oh, good. And now, we reach the present of our hero's story. Ratchet, the last known Lombax, whose kind is lost in another dimension, will receive a mysterious gift from Clank.
I had a speech prepared, but considering that our event seems to be under assault, I will cut to the chase. Ratchet, I do not know where I would be without you. You are my closest friend, my teammate, and you have given up a lot to... I have repaired the Dimensionator, so you can travel through dimensions and